Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture we are going to take a look at the magic wand tool and the lasso tool. These tools are selection tools, but these are not that used in these are not that much used in Illustrator. So I will just cover the basic concept of how to use it. It is used, as I have told you, that it is a selection tool. These tools are used to select a part of an image. So this is an image, and let me tell you in advance that if you import an image, you cannot work on it instantly. You cannot select a part of it instantly. You need to first live trace it. You need to first trace that image, then you can work with that image tracing result, but that's kind of advanced. No need to worry about that. This magic wand tool, you can use it just by clicking on it to select it. And now let's come to this image and let's click on it. Click at any point, and you will see that some parts of this image got selected. Let's click on this part and you will see that all of these got selected. You know why? Magic wand tool works like if you click at any point, say just click at this point, it samples that particular color of that point and then it selects other parts of the image where it got similar kind of color. And the lasso tool, let me deselect it. Yep. And the lasso tool, it works like select it by clicking on it, then just click at any point of the image and just draw some kind of shape, and you will see that surrounding that area will get selected. Let's select this area and see all those colors which is similar to that color got selected, but only to that part of that image. See, let's click here, let's draw here and see only this part got selected. But now let's use this magic wand tool and let's click on this part and see all of many image parts got selected, because this color is kind of similar to all the colors that are there in this image. But try to select using this lasso tool. See, only this area got selected. So yeah, and you can see here that what you have got in the transparency panel, but that's kind of advanced, no need to worry about that. Actually these two tools are not that much used in Illustrator. Okay guys, so this is what it is actually. So what's the concept of these two tools? These are selection tools. It helps in selecting some part of an image. Okay, so that's it. Just grab the concept, that's it. So that's it guys, here I'm concluding this lecture. In our next lecture we will take a look at the pencil and eraser tool. Yeah, these are rarely used, so that's why I'm just providing you the concept that for which purpose these are used. So that's it guys, see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.